Hello there, this is a Suzuki Jimny, and today we're going to install our mileage blocker on it. Installation is pretty simple. Start with easily removing the speedometer cover that is held on clips. Then unscrew a couple of screws here. And we're ready to install. Disconnect the speedometer cable. Connect the device. And finally place the cable back. Assemble all the parts. We can manage it from the application. Connect the device via Bluetooth and give it a name. Now we can turn it on and off through the app. It's that easy. Everything is working perfectly and we are good to go.